Hello everyone, my name is Larry Chin. Today I want to show you how to use SQL to query data. Okay, SQL is one of those tools where you can use to analyze data. Data scientists and data analysts use it for data manipulation, and it's so easy. I want to take you to a site or website called W3schools where you can begin to interact with data even before you can download this tool, even before you can be thinking of having this tool in your machine. It's an open source tool. It's free. We'll be showing you other video where you can download on YouTube. Okay, so let's just go in and I show you real quick. Right here, if you come and you write W3schools, you see this is the website, and you click enter. It brings you to the website. Okay, and you come and click this small icon here. Once you click this icon, it brings you here. I want you to go to exercises. When you go to exercises, you see different amazing tools. You see R here is another tool that we use for data science. You find Excel is another tool. You find Python, etc. But today I want us to focus on SQL. SQL stands for structured query language. And when you click, it brings you here. Okay, you go and you find it up here at this top. We have R found here. You go here and you double click SQL. Okay, and there is something I'm looking for. This is what I was looking for. You see, it says try it yourself. Make sure you come here. Once you come here, you click. Now we are going to an environment where this platform has provided for us. Okay, and in this environment, it's just so amazing. This environment, when you come here, you see a lot of amazing things to do here. Right here we have these tables. You see right here, don't bother about the advertisement and all that, just focus on the platform. Right here we have different tables. You see table name and the records. This table has 85 records, this one has 8, and so on and so forth. These are different tables that this system has provided for you. We have to query those tables to see what is inside. And then here you have where you write our codes, SQL statement where we write it here. And then you have here, it appears down here. This is where we are going to be getting the result. And this is where we are going to be running the code. Okay, so this system has been designed just the same way as the software. Okay, and this is what makes W3schools very powerful. You can start querying data without having any knowledge, any background in computer science. Okay, let's just go on and I show you how this works. Here we are. So right now SQL has words that has been coded within the system, English words. Okay, for instance, if I come here and I write select, let me browse. You see, if I come here and I write select, this small sign here, which is shift and 8 on your keyboard, says select all from customer. So we want to select all data from this first table here. Okay, this is the table here. Let me put this down. You see, these are our tables. So I'll browse this, make it bigger so you can see what we are doing here. So if I come now and I run this code, you see we have selected all from that data. So it tells us that we have selected all the columns. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. You see, so it shows us, SQL shows us everything that is in that table, in that data. Okay, so this is what we have. Just assume that you're working with a company, okay, and they want to see every column, they want to see on your data. Okay, these are our columns, these are our rows. So just assume that we are working with Excel. So the same statement we are going to be using here, you find it in Excel but in a different form. Okay, so right now if I come here and I say that I want to select, instead of selecting all, using this small sign here, now I want to count all. Okay, yes, I want to count all. So I'll just put this in a small bracket here, and then I write another code called count. You see, remember we also have count if, count A in Excel, and I run. You see, now you see what is happening here. I have counted the records. You see, it's 85. Right here is 80. You see, this is a code I wrote, is 85. And if we come here and look beside here, it shows a customer here is 85. You see, customer here is 85. You see, that is it. So if I come here again and I delete all this and I say select country, no, I first select all again from, and I run it, and I come here now, I want to select just this column, country and city. So if I come here and I remove this sign that says all and I say country, okay, comma, city. It means I'm saying that from this table called customer, the name table called customer, select country, city from this table, and I run my code. You see, I'm able to select only the country and the city. If I come again and I say, okay, select country, city, and customer where city is London. It means I want to select only data where city is London. I'll use another query language here, another coded language here called where. Okay, you see, it's just English language, that's all. Where city equals to London. Now I have to put my London in open and close quotes, you see, and I click OK. You see, now it has selected country UK where city is London. Are you seeing now? So this is how you query your this is how you interact with data using SQL. It's as simple as this. If I come again here and I say select all from this table here, from employees table, you see what we have here. You see it has come and selected all the data, but I want us to use this product table. It has selected all now from product table, you see. So we have price. Great. So there's something I want us to do here. Okay, so this table has we have selected all from table. So there's something I want you to do. You see this open close kind of bracket here. We can still replace it just with semicolon, okay, and it will still give us the same answer. You see, it gives us the same answer here. Okay, yes, I prefer to use that one. So now right here, see what I want to do. I want us to give average of this price. If your company calls you and say, hey, we want to get average of all the sales, all the prices, okay, you just come here and you say, instead of selecting all, you say select price. You see now, good. And then AVG, and you put your price in bracket, you put your price in bracket, and you close. You see now, and you click. You see it has given you average of your price. You see it's right here. This is the average, 28 point something. If you come again here and you want to see the sum of the price, you just write sum here and then you click OK. You see it says 2,222.71 US dollars. You see it's right here. And if you still want to get the maximum price, the company say find the maximum price, you just come and you click. You see, so what it does, you select the price, you put it in bracket maximum to indicate that you want the maximum of this price from this table. Okay, so that's how it works. If you want the minimum price, you just click here and then you get the minimum price, $2.5. Okay, so this is how powerful you work with your SQL. So now I want us to go again really far and check some really deeper. So there's another amazing code that I want us to write here. I want us to select all from products here, and then I want us to select all a product. I want us to select customer. There's something I want to get in customer here. Okay, right here I want us to write this amazing code. We run this, we get the yes, perfect. So I want us to run, there's what we call distinct. Are you getting? So if we click distinct and then we write country, I'll show you what this does. Okay, and you click OK. Okay, see what it has done. I want you to know that UK appears many times, Sweden appears many times, Germany appears many times. But now distinct means it goes and pick one UK, one Sweden, one Germany, one out of all that many that appears. Okay, to make it unique. Okay, let me show you what I mean here. If I come here and I say that distinct, okay, distinct, sorry, let me show you. If I come here now and I put count, I want to count countries, okay, and I want to group by country. Okay, select count countries from customers, group by country. Perfect. You see now, let me select country and select country. I want to show you something here. You have to be creative when you use SQL. Okay, you see? So this is what we have done. We have selected the country. Argentina appears 3 times in this data. So now we have counted it and then we group it. Okay, so select count country, so it's counting, and then country, we want it to appear here, it has appeared here, and then from customers, and then we have grouped it by country. Okay, so we have come here, we group Argentina, it appears 3 times, so we have grouped it to 3. Australia, we have grouped it to 2. So if I want to know how many times Germany appeared, I know that it appears 10 times. How many times France appeared 11 times. Okay, so this is how you group by. This is very, very important, especially when you're working with humanitarian data. You need to query to know how many boys, how many girls, and all that, how many they appear, and all that stuff. Okay, so this just, you just have to be creative. Test your codes, see how they work, see how they move, and that's it. That's it. You see, so that's where we are. This code is very, very amazing. So we go back. Okay, so right now I want to select all from customers. So all our data are here. So now if I come here and say that I want to select all from customers, order by country, it means that I want the country to go alphabetically. Okay, but I would like to just select country here so we can see clearly what is happening. I don't want to select all, I just want to select the country column. Okay, order by country. Good. You see what has happened? It has started taking the countries from A. Now order by means it starts from smallest and start going to highest, from A to Z. Okay, so it starts from smallest to highest, so it's ascending order. Are you seeing now? So it takes all those countries that starts from A and then brings it. So this is sorting. We also have this in Excel. Okay, so if I want to sort now by descending order to start from Z and coming to A, I'll just put DESC. You see now, and then I click OK, I run again. You see the V, those countries with V have appeared first, U has appeared, and then we go right down and see where A now comes. Are you getting now? Yeah, so this is just sorting your data from highest to lowest. So let's finalize this video with some greater than and less than. Okay, so we want to select all. So this is the table. This is the table that we have here. We have price, unit, category ID, supply ID, product name, product ID. Okay, so right here we want to select all from this product where, you see, where price, I see now, is greater than, is greater than, where price is greater than 18. I will run it. You see, if we come to our price here, you see it starts from 19, so it has selected all data that is greater than 19. But if I come here and I just want to select price, I want to select the price and the unit column, unit, comma, and price column from products where the price is greater than 18, and I click. You see, it has given me unit and price column. Okay, I just want it to be clean for you to see what we are doing here. So if I come here again and I say, okay, I want to select where price is between 18 and 19. Okay, and I run my code. You see now 18 and 19. You see, these are the price just between 18 and 19. So there's another coded language called between that we have just used here. Okay, we have just used between. It's so amazing. We have just used between here. You see, between. Select unit and price. Okay, and then it comes and select the unit column and the price column, and then you say from this product table, and then you say where the price now is between 18 and 19, and then it gives you the price 18 and 19. Okay, so I want you to take note of this. So SQL is a very, very easy language to learn. It has no stress for you to learn. So if I come here and I say I want to select the price where price, I want to select everything, the unit and the price from products where price is less than, less than 18. I might probably not have anything here. Okay, fine. You see, it start giving me 10, 12, 9. You see, company can call you and say, hey, we want to look at prices between this and this, okay, and see the names that are between those prices, okay, so, and the units that are between those prices or are beside those prices. Then you now see here, if they were asking for the names, you put the names here because you want the names to appear just beside those prices that you are filtering. So we call this filtering. Even in Excel, you filter, right? You want to look for particular prices in a particular space in a particular time, so you filter in Excel as well. So this is all we had for you when it concerns R. When it concerns SQL, please keep following us and keep learning this skill. They are not difficult, they are so easy. You can manipulate, you can play with them and get a lot out of it. Thank you very much and stay blessed.